Guys, I can't see anything.
We had a small accident.
Oh, this train had 2 Thundercabs on it.
Oh no.
Guys!
Wait, that's a train! Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap!
What? Uh-oh. Oh no.
Oh! Shoot! Oh no! Oh god! Oh, it's bad! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh dear god!
The water tank cars went in the water.
I wasn't singing it. But this is what I sent him the Gamergang a screenshot.
That shit's going a little fast, if I'm gonna be honest.
Oh, hi Joey. How are you, buddy?
Oh crap!
GP40 PH-2 test train is on its personal station.
Oh no! Oh no!
Screenshot I sent.
I'm kind of feeling another problem.
Wait a minute, what do you mean?
Oh my god! Oh my god, everything's everywhere!
Okay, buddy.
Oh god darn it.
Oh, there's a bulkhead! There's a bulkhead! Let's go!
Where? What bulkhead?
I'm going to be rail fanning in, I think this is Mount Vernon or something. Mount Vernon, Texas. Actually.
You're in Mount Train?
299.
Wow, I haven't been there in 37 years.
70,
1741.
Oh no! We got a situation! We got a situation! We got a situation at the bridge!
Not locomotive flying in the air. I don't see any train cars. What happened to the train cars? All I saw were locomotives.
We got a situation.
Oh.
What happened ahead? No.
Something very bad happened here. I don't know what happened.
Oh man, I hope it doesn't get rerun it over.
I hope so either.
I'm flying my drone. I'm flying the drone.
I emerged from the shadows.
I was about to get rear-handed. Uh-oh.
What's going on? Oh shit! We got a situation.
We have a situation. We have a situation.
Zach, run!
Oh no!
What is happening?
I'm scared.
Everything is happening.
Oh no! So many cars going to waste.
Oh no! Oh here goes nothing.
Oh crap!
That looks bad. You're sending a helicopter over there to inspect.
Oh no! What helicopter is this?
Pineapple.
You're trained so hard to the point where like 2 locomotives are inside.
What is that, Tristan?
This is the only helicopter mesh that had color.
What helicopter?
The helicopter in the sky.
The helicopter in the sky where? I'm on my daily walk today, and this railroad crossing is on. Right over here in train tracks, which is quite strange. Oh, there it is. Oh damn. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh damn! Oh damn! Oh god!
I just get curved.
Oh my god! I just saw that train go like whip by me like at 300 miles an hour and it just derailed. Hey guys, how y'all doing? I'm gonna go to
Hey, I'm just buying this lemonade next to this track that is probably very dangerous. My lemonade now.
What's
Oh wait, how much? How much would that? How much will that
You're stopping the siding for a little bit.
Sir,
Okay, passengers, we're gonna be stuck in the siding for a little bit, waiting on an oncoming ticket train.
45 cents. Here is 1 diamond. Enjoy.
Oh,
Thank you.
I can't.
I love
I don't.
drinking my
I
lemonade
don't see
sideways.
anything down there.
I love
You guys-
drinking my lemonade, guys.
Hey guys,
You don't love it. Look
what's
at the
those two
lemonade
lights
stand right
ahead?
here. Your lemonade stand.
What the hell just happened?
derailed.
Oh yeah, my lemonade stand survived.
The rest of the train derailed.